Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I'm going to be a full YouTuber. I'm going to try a product from Temu and compare it to a product that you can get in stores and see what the difference is. It'd be interesting to see how this scratch remover I got from Temu compares to one that I generally use. It's about 10 times less the price. So yeah, if it does a good job, I mean, that's exactly what we want. So just showed the scratch that we'll be working on. So just going to absolutely decontaminate the area. So you can see I've foam washed it, hand washed it, and now I am using a tar remover, or a clay bar I should say, a tar remover with a clay bar I should say, and then just rinsing all that off, drying it off, and we'll see what this product is like. So as you can see here, it's called Body Renovate. So typical Temu stuff. It is worth $2.88, so an absolute bargain. Whereas a lot of scratch removers are worth $25 to $30. So let's have a look. So it comes with the liquid as well as a sponge to use it to use on the car, and it is it's obviously an abrasive of sorts. So we'll see what it ends up looking like. So I'm just doing the top part here below the headlight. The scratch, I guess, covers a lot of the panel. So it's below the headlight and then next to the fog light there down the bottom. But yeah, if you're interested in more of these comparisons, by all means, drop a comment, give the video a like. I'd actually be interested in seeing what the Temu products are like in comparison to what I generally use. Although you've got to be selective with which cars you use it on. So obviously using this on one of my cars. So just using the abrasive, wiping it off with a microfiber to see what it reveals, and just get right in there. I'm going to hit it the third time, so I wasn't too happy with the results. Now I know generally with a scratch remover, you've got to hit it pretty. You got to hit it with a bit of pressure. I was pretty I'm not too sure what to expect with these products. I was very soft the first couple of times. I wasn't too happy with the results, so I thought I'll hit it one more time just with a bit more pressure, a bit harder, a little bit more elbow grease in the when I was wiping it. Well, I guess you could call it scrubbing. It's not really scrubbing, but let's have a look. So, rough. Not very happy with the results. The scratch is still there. Obviously, it's a pretty bad scratch. So I don't expect it to get all of it, but I do expect it to be diluted a little bit. So using Meguiar's Scratch X. Now, this is my favorite scratch remover. I've tried it against a couple of products. I'll link those videos at the top. So again, just wiped it in, and then the second one is going to be a little bit firmer. So we're going to really put a bit of elbow grease into that, and let's have a look and see what that comes out with. So as you can see, pushing a lot harder on that one than what I did the first time around, and that looks a hell of a lot better. So the scratch is still there. You can still see the scratch. I mean, it's not a miracle product, but it's definitely diluted. You do have to take a couple of looks to actually find it. So much happier with the Meguiar's to say the least. So this is how it looked before I touched it. So as you can see, the scratch is very prominent. You can see under the headlight there a couple of scratches, and then this is after the Temu product, the Body Renovate, if you will. Not much has changed, if anything, to be honest with you. This is after the Meguiar's. So I think we have a winner here, and it's definitely the Meguiar's. So Shop products 1, Temu 0. So save yourself $2.88. As always, Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.